Hi, I'm tarot card reader Jamni Gulati. I hope you all are doing fine. Today I'm here again with my new reading. The topic of the reading is what should you do to advance in your career? Before starting with the reading, I would like to request you all to like my channel and subscribe it so that you get notifications of my upcoming videos. And I would like to tell you that I do personal readings also. So to have a tarot session, personal tarot session with me, you can message me on my Instagram or Facebook page. You can also email me. The links of and the details of all three pages and email IDs are given in the description box. Now I'll tell you that I have divided my readings in the three parts: blue pile, brown pile and pink pile. I'll show you a close-up picture of these piles. I request you to relax and intuitively select a pile towards which you pull, towards whichever color you feel a pull or attraction, and then you can go to the description box, and according to your chosen pile you can click on the timestamps and you can watch your reading by forwarding the video. This is a timeless reading, so whenever you drop on this reading or this video, just think that this message was meant to be there for you and follow the reading. Thank you. Now let's check out the cards for the blue pile. So first I'll tell you that what you people are doing, and then I'll tell you what you need to do. It looks like that you're quite skillful, and you believe a lot in moving forward with your skills. You have a lot of faith on your skills, and you like to create things on your own. You like to create a world around you, the amenities or the luxuries or the facilities for you by your own. You don't like to take help much. So what I'm seeing here is you have attained something in life. You are good in communications. You may be somewhere, working in some job or in business, but it could be communication related, because I'm seeing that you are really good in communication. It could be sales related, marketing related, or salesperson or something like that. You have a great balance of skills, I would say, and you like to have peace or balance in all aspects, like emotionally, intellectually, spiritually. You like to have a complete balance in life, financially. But you have become a little bit, I would say, possessive, or you're holding on to things very strongly, like you do not want to lose anything, or you can't take a little bit of risk with which you can lose something. So you have created your mindset like that if you do not grow, you should not fall down in career. So due to which you are not embracing many opportunities, you are not looking towards new things, you are not ready to explore your skills, because you are not someone who's only good in one thing. You are multi-talented, what I am seeing here, but you are not ready to explore your skills right now, holding on to things very tightly. You're not ready to go off track a little bit even. So I would say that take a look at the coming opportunities which the universe is offering you or wishes to offer. Maybe you are too busy in your things and looking at the past, maybe that once you have done that, then this had happened, and if you'll do like this will happen. You're pondering over on the past so much that you are not ready there, you're not available there, where the opportunities are standing for you. So I would say that cards are saying that there is some kind of hidden wisdom and some kind of, I would say, message or news for you, career wise, which still you have not explored. You haven't even given the chance to your destiny to explore it. So I would say tune yourself with that energy, so that the opportunities that wishes to pop up comes on your table. Have a look at them, follow your heart, follow your intuition. Don't be so strict with your mindset that this is the right thing, so I have to go for this only. So give yourself that that chance, a little bit of risk. Try to do that adventure, try to go a little bit of off track to explore that immense wisdom hidden inside you. I don't know you people realize it or not, but yes, you are a multi-talented and skillful person, and you have that capability to start something from the scratch and take it to the end. So big capabilities inside you. Don't hold on yourself, don't pull yourself back. But you can achieve a lot in life. This card again is saying that you can do breakthroughs. Your ideas, your intellectual power can do wonders. A new beginning is waiting for you if you give it a chance. If open yourself up to it, you can create something, I would say, something very very big in life. So try not to hold your things so tightly, try not to stick to your beliefs or mindset so strongly. Explore new things, there is something really big waiting for you. I hope this message has helped you. If you like the video, don't forget to click the like button and do subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Thank you. Now let's check out the cards for the brown pile. So it looks like that your career life is quite stressful. A lot of, I would say, frustrations are going on. It could be possible that either you have been laid off from your job, or your business is not going very well, or the working environments of your job or business are quite frustrating. So things are like you are seeing an end to the situations career wise. You are seeing a lot of negativity and feeling a lot of stress regarding that. There is so much stress that you are unable to start a new beginning, or I would say you are being skeptical about starting something new, or skeptical about any opportunity that is approaching you. You are thinking that this will not work well for you, things never work well for you. You're being a lot of there are a lot of doubts, I would say, in your mind regarding the new beginnings and upcoming opportunities. You're finding yourself incapable, I would say, and your destiny not that good to support you, maybe, because I'm seeing that the balance between your mind and body is quite off. What happens sometimes that when we when negative emotions inside us overpower us so strongly, then we lose our capability of strength, of courage, of willpower to stand straight in front of the obstacles or hurdles coming in our life, to face them strongly, because the negative emotions have taken so much of space in our mind. They have created cloudiness in front of our eyes, that we are unable to see the new beginnings. So you people are getting too emotional career wise. You have become sensitive and vulnerable, and you think that nothing good can happen to you career wise. Nothing good can approach you. You are not that capable enough. Things have shattered down, and a lot of negative emotions are going in your mind. I would say that there is a need to have balance. There's a need to have rejuvenation. You people should meditate regularly to attain, to gain back the lost focus. As we prepare a dish or we bake a cake, we need perfect amount of ingredients or blend to prepare a perfect recipe. Similarly, to achieve something good in life, we need to have perfect blend of positivity, perfect blend of courage, perfect blend of strength and intellect to achieve that thing. So there is a need for the perfect blend. You are only focusing on negativity, stress, self sabotaging, self blaming yourself, self blaming your destiny, and thinking that maybe so much of hurdles are there in your life. You're victimizing yourself that why all this always happens to you only. You are not progressing. You are stuck at a place. You yourself are, stopping yourself to move forward. I would say there is a need to sharpen your focus so much that you can see things very clearly even when you are blindfolded. So so create that amount of focus, sharpen your focus that well, and for that you need to have balance. You need to maintain balance between your mind and body to attain your achievements, to hit the bull's eyes. uh, when you are blindfolded, you need to break all the cages you have created around you, and you have to believe in your capabilities, and you have to say it to yourself again and again that yes, I can do anything, nothing can stop me, and I have those capabilities to excel in my career, to move forward, to create opportunities for myself, rather than self sabotaging that I can't do this and this is not for me, I'm not capable. You have to make positive lines your mantra, so that nothing can stop you. Your mind is stopping yourself. So I would say create that balance, bring that rejuvenation inside you. I hope this reading has helped you. And if you like the reading, do click the like button and subscribe my channel to stay tuned with my upcoming videos. Thank you. Now let's check out the cards for Pink Pile. So it looks like that you people are very emotional and caring by nature, or I would say that you involve a lot of emotions in your career. You are intuitive and caring. It could be possible that you are a health worker or in some psychic business like tarot card reading or astrology, because I'm sensing a lot of emotional, sorry, caring side of the career, or the intuition side of, because your intuitions are quite strong. Whatever career you are pursuing, you're involving a lot of emotions in it. You are very empathetic, I would say. You judge others' problem, and when they come to you with their problem, you always understand it and you're always up for the help. You, I would say, maybe it's possible that you take the workload of others sometimes to help them out, or you help your colleagues or employees a lot. Due to this emotional behavior or attitude of yours, people have started thinking of you as an emotional fool. Maybe they have started using you in that sense, that you are very emotional, so how to target you and how to get their work done by you. Maybe your boss or your seniors are taking uh, extra work from your side, or your friends are giving a load of their work on you. putting their load of their work on you. So basically your behavior of emotions and caring attitude has put in you in stress. Maybe you have got involved in office politics, and there's a lot of planning and strategy behind your back. People do something else, say something else in front of you, and do something else at your back. So you are being targeted for the office politics. Maybe that could also be possible, because people consider you to be soft target as you're very emotional. I would say that you need to start working in a new direction. You need to inculcate a new perspective regarding your emotions. You have a very you have a very deep emotions inside you, a great depth of sensitivity inside you, I would say. So you have to keep that inside you and show that in your relations, not in your career life. Keep both very separately. Don't mix them. Don't show your over emotional nature in front of others. Try to take command of your life. Don't give command of your life in others hand. Don't let them drive you. I wouldn't say that stop helping others. Help others, but there's a limit to everything. Excess of everything is bad and harmful. So I would say that take that command. Try to do things that people start following you rather than you follow others every time. You also have those capabilities that people can follow you, or you can become a team leader, or you can progress. You can have promotions in life. So I would say stop following and do what your mind says, do what your heart says. Take steps or decisions or make choices according to your intellect rather than what people are saying you or telling you to do. So this kind of new perspective you need to inculcate for your, to advance in your career. One more thing is there that I am seeing false truths around you, like people who are working with you or the kind of environment around you is not very healthy. They are not being truthful in front of you. They are not genuine to you, I would say. Maybe some of them have been creating obstacles career wise for you, but you are unable to judge them. You are thinking them of as good friends and good people, but you need to see and check each and every one of them with clarity. Change your perception and see that what has been told to you, is it really the true thing, is it really the fact, and then use your mind that what you have to do regarding that. Don't do what others are saying. So step forward from now on and keep a check on everyone, that who is actually creating obstacles, who is truthful to you, and who is making, false statements, and who is creating obstacles in your life. Then secondly, remove the burden, the excessive burden you carry on your shoulder. You do not express much. You keep all inside. So leave that. If somebody is not good with you, say that on their face straightforwardly. Don't keep that inside you. Release that stress and burden. Release the unnecessary burden of responsibilities of others that you are carrying. You are only responsible for you and your family, not anybody else. So do the work that is meant for you, and do the work for which you have been paid. Don't overburden yourself. When you remove this unnecessary burden, you yourself start feeling very light. You need to take a plunge with a new start, I would say. Take a leap of faith with a new start. with a fresh perspective, remove all past baggage and the things that has happened bad with you, and start to explore your capabilities and know yourself. You also can lead people, you also can make good and better decisions in life. You are capable enough to start from the scratch. So remove that unnecessary burden and responsibilities and stress that is taking you towards a negative end, I would say. And yes, don't forget this: keep judging people around you, and release that a fixed type of belief or thought process that you have created for everyone. No, it's time to keep a check on them. So I hope this reading has helped you. If you like the reading, don't forget to click the like button, and if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you.